What you got, JoJo?
Yes.
Hmm? What you got?
Ow.
So what'd you do with that transformer there, Cass?
I am trying to stand him up.
No, would you just tell me? Was that the first time you ever did a transformer like that?
Yeah.
You did it all by yourself?
Yes.
Awesome.
I'm still trying to stand him up.
Cool.
Actually stand him up. Just super hard to
You know, throwing it hard is not always the best option. Go down the hallway.
Got to catch wind.
You want to make sure you let go of it straight, buddy. You don't have to throw it up. There you go. Straight. See there?
Oh, it's so awesome.
Yeah.
Bullshit. This was my first time transforming this guy. It was my first time ever transforming him.
What is that, Lou?
Yes! I got him! Right on the pit.
Sticky
Oh,
something.
right
Ooh.
where the energon
Nice.
was.
Turn back up.
Do it. Right where the energon is. Yes! Right where the energon was. Perfect. Right where the energon was. Ouchie! Butt.
Oh, that was a good one.
But it flipped over. And this is the better way to do it.
Uh-huh.
Wait.
I think the normal way you throw it's probably the best way.
Yes. That was super awesome.
That fan makes it.
That's exactly what it does. Yeah.
Be careful, don't throw it at Johanna.
And it doesn't. They come right on the John. Oh, I could have made him die. I almost got him on the energon. Try to get him on the energon. On his back is the energon. And they use energon to survive.
Mm-hmm.
And there's an energon eater that eats their energon.
Johanna. Hey. What you got?
Did you get him right on the energon?
Hey, y'all go throw those in the hallway.
I want the ring thing.
Here we go, JoJo. Come here. You want to make a video? Johanna. You gonna make you a video? You gonna make a video?
I don't think he's gonna.
This
He says you
is
have,
polar bear.
you have lots of energy. Yes, I do.
Walrus. Penguin.
That hurt. Ow. Come on, let's go do Sissy laundry. Okay. Here you go. Don't put your toy in there.
he go? There's toy. Pick up Sissy. Shirt. Right here. Here you go. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Here's another one. Oh no, you covered up your... Here's your toy. Okay, go play. Here's your toy. Now go play. No. I can't find it. Oh, there we go. You think I'm gonna find it again? No. No, now it's gonna go in brother's room. Here you go. You like helping Sissy? That's a lot of clothes. You can't do a lot of clothes at the same time. No. Where you going with my shirt? Hey, you taking my shirt. Now we done with Sissy laundry. Let's go play. Come on. Let's go play. Come on. Alright, come on. Mr. Cow. You still can't get over it. Go around. Around. Hey, my hand. Look. Around. And you found another book. Feelings. Happy. Sad. Angry. Surprised. Sleepy. There you go. Now come around. Come around. You can't go over. Okay. Feelings. Happy. Sad. Angry. Grrr. Surprised. Sleepy. Girl, you're gonna pinch yourself. Come around. Around. You go around. around. And she goes around to pick up the book I just threw. If I go in there, she'll just follow me. Come on. You're not coming. Johanna. Sissy, go in our room. And you don't follow me this time? I'm trying to show the audience that you follow me. Whatever. Hey, you never followed me. Johanna, why'd you throw your castle? Thank you. I don't want the horse, but thank you. Do you not like the camera in your house, castle? My hair. Yay! Oh, Sissy, love you. Maybe. One more hour. Give me the camera. No, no. She's mad. Are you mad or angry? Go grrr. What are you doing, maybe? Maybe. Hey, baby girl. Oh, baby girl. Oh, that baby girl. So this is the end of recording for today. Hey. Hey.